At nagbabalik na ang ating sapin. Sa lahat ng mga naduling sa tingkad ng sapin natin yesterday, no? I'm sorry. Yun yung sapin natin yesterday, mga babes. No? Pero ito na ulit. Yeah, welcome back, sapin. Welcome back yan. Kamusta ka naman dun sa hangar? So, yun nga, no? We have here this emperor energy. So, I do pick up that this is you. This is your energy wanting to take control here of your situation, and I do pick up na this has something to do with a specific situation kasi nakakita ko na parang may pagsarado or pag-close, no? So maaari may kino-close kang sitwasyon. It takes a lot of courage right here. You want to take control, no? Parang alam mo yung nakakakuha ako dito ng parang meron ka dito parang gustong i-manibela, no? And then, gusto mong bitiwan yun for quite a minute, and then magmamanibela ka ulit. So, parang it gives me this kind of difficulty, or it's something here, no? Hard for you. So, pwedeng yung sitwasyon na yan ay end mo na gusto mong mag-take control on that, no? Is somehow challenging. Pero parang with the Emperor in upright, gusto mo na yun na tapusin at mag-end, no? Parang para rin sa ikabubuti mo, kind of thing. Yeah. Because with this 9 of fire energy, you want to bring back, no? Yung dati mong sigla, yung dati mong saya, kind of thing, ganun, no? You want your power back. So that's why you're taking control, even if it somehow gives me this type of energy that it's quite challenging or difficult for you guys. But you know what? Okay? Keep moving lang. Diba? Isipin nyo sa umpisa lang yan madali, no? Sa umpisa lang yan mahirap, no? And then, kapag yan ay lumaon na, no? Yakang-yaka mo na. Diba? So, yeah, let's keep moving. With that ones, it also gives me this type of energy that that particular situation has something to do with your heart, your emotions, no? So, pwede meron kang gustong i-end or tapusin, no? Regarding love, yun yung nakukuha natin. Or meron ditong nag-end na cycle regarding love. Okay? So, let's see. So, yung iba, baka recently lang, no, na may in-end kayo na cycle when it comes to love. Because you feel like you're suffocating. That kind of energy. Diba? It's quite hard because kalaban ng emosyon. Yun yung parang binibigay sa akin mensahe dito. Okay? So, yeah, let's see. Oh my gosh. Finally, you're attracting the right person. Okay? So, that's the energy that I'm getting. You're finally attracting the right person here in your life. Okay? And it gets emotional here. For some reason. Okay? So, whatever the case may be, the dreamer right here and the magician. Wow. Major arcanas. Okay? So, I do pick up right here that the end of this cycle, no, na nakita natin kanina while shuffling, has something to do with you manifesting right here the right person when it comes to love and romantic situation. So, I do get, okay, that you've been through a lot. But that cycle is coming to an end because you are now attracting the right one for you. You are now attracting the right person here in your life. It's like two become one right here. Eight of water energy, three of fire, and two of fire right here. The ship is coming in. I can see partnership. See? Dalawa yan, mga babes, no? At nasa likod, no, is a clam, no? Wherein may pearl sa loob, no? This is a treasure. This is something here, no, worth keeping. This is someone here, no? Kasi yung gusto mo lang naman sa nakukuha ko dito is ang strong na mensahe. You just want someone, no? You just want someone here na hindi mangiiwan, no? Bagkus susuporta sa'yo. And this person is coming in. This person could be coming from a faraway land, okay? From different country or sa malayong lugar. Pero kung sino man siya, kagaya ng karagatan na to, ang magiging pag-ibig niya para sa'yo na ay hindi masusukat. Oh. Or hearing that song, you know that song. Nakita ka at nasabi kong ikaw na nga ang hinahanap at dinarasal na makapiling ko. Yeah. You know what, as far as I remember, I also heard that song dun sa kabilang channel, no, all about Taurus. So, yung iba sa inyo, you could be dealing here with Taurus, but doesn't have to be, pero meron siyang strong na Taurus placement, no, kung saan, or pwedeng meron kayong strong na Taurus placement, no, wherein, eto kayo, no, na nagdesisyon kayo na mag-walk away sa isang situation and you're not coming back. And now you're into new love or into finding new love, no, instead na bumalik sa nakaraan, no. Ang desisyon na 'to na yung parang isa sa pinakamagandang desisyon na ginawa mo. Okay? It doesn't have to be that you're dealing with Taurus. Na-mention ko kasi alam mo, no, narinig ko rin yung song na yun dun sa kabila, no. Pero dun sa parteng chorus, 'di ba? You know that song. Okay? You could be dealing with any zodiac sign, no. 'Di ba yung chorus nun yung Um, ako'y naririto. Ano, yeah, parang gano'n. Ako'y naririto. Kasi minsan may ano ko eh, sa lyrics mga babes, no? Pero yun nga, no? Once na marinig ko yun, o kahit narinig ko yun dun, okay, dun kasi narinig ko yung sunod na lyrics eh. Ngayon, tignan mo nakalimutan ko na. Pero dito sa parte na 'to 'no, yung narinig natin yung kinanta ko kanina, okey? Malinaw na malinaw 'no, na itong person na 'to 'no, nang dumating ka sa kanyang buhay, eh, naramdaman niya agad-agad 'no, na ikaw yung hinahanap niya at dinarasal rito. You just want someone here, you could be wishing for someone here 'no, na yung magse-stay sana, yung hindi ako iiwan and yun. Oh, why does this feels like so emotional right here? Like I really wanna cry. Okay? Pero yeah, let's keep moving right here. You're attracting the right person. Yeah. See? You've already given the fight. You're tired. You feel stress. You do not know, no, kung yung nilalaban mo ba, eh, may patutunguhan pa, yung hinihintay mo ba dun sa isang sitwasyon na meron ka na when it comes to love, no, or you've recently ended that thing, okay? There's no regret na nakikita ko ngayon. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, na nakaka-resonate dito, you fought the good fight. Mm. Chamshaman nyo, give me a second mga babes, no? Kasi the energy is really consuming. It's quite overwhelming. So, ibig sabihin, this is something here na parang pag dumating na or dumating na sa buhay mo, like, parang matitigilan ka na parang, oh, eto na yun, ito na yung hinahantay ko, ito na talaga yung bagay, ito na talaga yung sitwasyon na gusto ko for myself. And you have it. And you will have it. Diba? So yeah, let's keep moving right here. Yeah, Queen of Fire or the Queen of Wands energy. This is someone here, mga babes, no, na darating sa buhay mo na alam niya at sigurado rin siya sa hinahanap niya when it comes to love. Alam niya at sigurado rin siya, no, pagdating sa taong or koneksyong papapasukin niya sa buhay niya. Isa itong matalinong tao, no, smart, intelligent, no, persigido, no, at saka ano siya, determined siya na tuparin dito yung lahat ng mga pangarap niya. Okay? So, I think this person here, bago mo pa siya makilala, talagang nag-work out niya yung sarili niya. Okay? This person build his or herself. Okay? His or her finances. This person here is hindi siya madamot sa sarili niya. No? And this person here, okay, is someone na pagka meron siya ditong bagay na nagustuhan, talagang ipupurso niya yon, no? And now, okay, nakita ko rito na siya yung lumalabas for you. So, nakikita ko rito na iba yung mararamdaman niya sa'yo, no? Like this person here will go in that type of feelings and emotions, no? And this is someone here na talagang ipapakita niya sa'yo, no? Nakapurso-purso ka, na talagang determinado siya rito na mawin ang iyong heart. This is someone here na pwedeng businessman or business owner, but doesn't have to be. But this person is holding that high honor. So, definitely, kung siya man ay nasa mataas na posisyon na nakikita ko na may igagaling at itataas pa yun. So yeah, we have here the 7 of Earth energy. Definitely, you've got someone here, no, na iniintay rin niya yung isang katulad mo. You're embodying the same energy. You could be waiting here for this person unawarely, but this person is now coming into your life. And this person here, okay, pag nakita ka niya, no, masasabi niya rin talaga na ikaw na nga. Isang katulad mo na sa kanya ay magmamahal ng buong tapat at pangakong kanya lamang pag-ibig na wagas ang siyang natagpuan. Yan. At natagpuan niya yan sa'yo, no? Taray. O, tapos na yung reading, ililigpit. Niligpit yung ano. Okay, ituloy natin. Mahilig siya sa music. Pwedeng, not necessarily na ano ha, na nasa media siya, pero this person here knows to dance or to sing. Doesn't have to be na nasa tono siya or whatever, no? So, whatever the case may be with the 4 of Fire energy, this is someone here who will dance with you in any type of songs. Sad music, yes, sasabayan ka niya. Okay, this person here, alam mo yung mga sayaw, nakita ko ng mga sayaw na may partner, okay? So, whatever the case may be, this person will dance with you at lalo kang mai-in-love sa kanya rito. Yung iba naman mga babes, no, literal na makikilala mo siya sa isang celebration. So, pwedeng birthday ng parehas ninyong kakilala or birthday mo. Makikita natin yan dito. No? Parang isasama siya or whatever, no? Or ipapakilala siya sa'yo rito. May ganun eh. Yung iba, hindi celebration na okasyon, pero pwedeng event, no, mga parang mga gathering, pwede rin naman na parang makasiyahan, ganun, 'di ba? Nakikita ko rito na pwedeng literal na marunong siyang sumayaw, pero pwedeng this person here knows how to, mahilig siyang kumanta na parang kahit nakaupo lang siya na parang may sinasabayan siya or baka lagi siyang nakikinig ng mga music sa kanyang headset, sa headphone niya, no? Or parehas kayo. Nakikita ko na pwedeng parehas kayo ni into music, no? At mas lalo ka may in love dito. Yung iba, talented talaga siya. Talented. Talented talaga siya, no? So, maaaring may in love kayo kasi kumanta siya. Ganyan, no? Baka siya pala yung kumanta sa kasal ng friend mo or sa isang, tawag nito, sa isang acoustic bar, no? Parang pwede ka naman kasi, pwede kang mag-ano doon, di ba? Magsabi doon sa stage na parang, pwede ba akong kumanta? Pwede yun mga babes, no? So, posibleng ganun, no? At narinig mo yun, na in love ka, or na in love ka lalo sa kanya kung kilala mo na to, no? So, hindi ko alam kung that's very specific, so it will not resonate to anybody, no? Pero, I mean to everybody, pero yun nga yung nakukuha ko rito, no? This is something here na na talagang, alam mo yun, tatama sa puso mo. Hmm. Like, you will have this kind of feeling na, "Ay, gusto ko makilala siya, sino kaya yun? Ano bang pangalan nung kumanta?" or whatever 'no. That kind of feeling, if yun yung first meeting ninyo, okey? Yung iba naman 'pag nakilala mo na siya at nag-start na kayo mag-usap, okey, you will hear his or her voice or you will see him dance, okey? So, doesn't have to be na tumatama yung tono, okey, okey lang yun. Sa iba talagang marunong silang kumanta. Yung iba naman 'no, you will fall in love kasi yung aura niya 'no is parang, uy, sumayaw siya dun sa beat na yun na parang, everybody 'no is parang serious pero siya, that person dance dun sa beat 'no, parang iba yun, for you iba yun 'no. Pero you know that type of feeling, ikaw lang yung nakaramdam na yun kasi siya yung partner mo. Hmm, gano'n 'no. So yung iba 'no, nasyungetan sa pagsayaw niya or sa pagkanta niya pero ikaw parang for some reason na-in-love ka or you find it adorable, yan. Adorable? I saw the word kasi, 'no. So 'yan 'no, you find that person adorable. Yeah, look at that, 10 of water energy. Ito na yung hinahanap mo, someone here that will stay by your side. Ayan na parehas ata kayong may pets dito. Sabi ko sa'yo na nag-i-embodies kayo ng parehas na energy. I'm seeing a lot of blues right here or very calm 'no, bluish greenish na colors. So whatever the case may be, parehas kayo rito magsasalo 'no sa very, wonderful na emotions and feelings. And this person here, okay, yung iba sa inyo nakuha ko rito, single mom, single dad, matatanggap nila ang inyong, child or children 'no. So this person here is a very loving individual, doesn't have to be na single mom or single dad ka or siya, pero puwede pong gano'n. Pero in general, kahit hindi sila single mom or single dad, this person wants to build a happy family here with you. Okay, yung iba, ito very specific pero I have to mention, the first time na makita mo siya, may makikita kang parang vision of a happy family, like you do not know. Okay, this will happen, the first time you saw that person. Doesn't have to be in an instant after seeing him, but maybe 'no, after days mo siyang makita. Okay, yun yung nakita ko dito, to some of you. Okay, wow! It's like meron ka na kaagad sign. We have here this Two of Air energy, Six of Air in the Chariot. I like it. You're not in, the crossroads anymore. You're not, confused anymore, okay? You're just you're just feeling na parang eto na yun, malaya ka dito sa klase ng pag-ibig na 'to, yung parang puwede kang maging sarili mo, puwede kang magpakatotoo dito 'no, sa harap niya 'no. Like literally, you feel so light, like you just can't explain 'no, na parang anong klase ba 'tong pag-ibig na 'to 'no. Yung iba kasi sa inyo wala kayong specific person na tinitingnan, pero meron kayong ideal partner 'no, na nagtataglay ng ganitong mga characteristics, behavior 'no, in everything. And now that this person here is coming, yun yung nakikita ko ditong paparating sa'yo, wherein nakikita ko 'no, nasasabayan ka niya sa lahat ng agos 'no. Alam mo rito sa mensahe na 'to, nakita ko rito na ang gusto mo lang naman kasi yung magsi-stay at saka yung tao rito na hindi ka iiwan. And I think you've been through your past relationships wherein ikaw yung lagi ritong iniwan, sinusukuan 'no, pero ngayon 'no, ikaw naman yung pinipiling samahan. At alam mo kung sino man 'to, hindi ko nakikita na childish siya. Pero this person here is giving me the vibe 'no, na hindi magiging boring yung life mo with him or her, okay? This person will prove to you that love really exists. This person will show you that you are special and that you deserve to receive that kind of love na ibibigay niya sa'yo. So, kung sino man siya, this person will choose to stay. Kahit pa itaboy mo siya, no, or maisipan mo siya ritong itaboy, this person will not. You know, ano lang yun, example lang yun 'no. Sinabi ko lang sa inyo na kahit ano pa yung gawin mo sa kanya rito 'no, kahit dumaan pa kayo sa mahihirap na sitwasyon, to the point na puwede mo siya rito ipagtabuyan or gusto mong iligtas or protektahan siya rito 'no, kung darating kayo sa gano'ng punto, this person will choose to stay. Hmm, at siya'y naririto. Wow! Claim these beautiful messages right here, collective. You've got someone here, okay? Really, halos tiyanikan na lahat 'no, ng mga hinahanap at dinarasal mo sa isang magiging katuwang sa iyong buhay. So yeah, 'no, someone that will stay and not let go of you no matter what. Kaya naman pala yung emosyon 'no. So yeah, magkakape nga ako pagtapos. So yeah mga babes 'no, thank you so much. Sarang Love and Light. Annyeong.